Right, today we're going to be taking a tour of a balcony cabin here on deck 14 of MSC Seashore 14034. Let's go ahead and open up the room as we enter. Oop, that was a little loud. First we'll have to enter our card into this in order to power the lights. It seems a little sensitive, especially to the direction of it's even pointing, so sometimes on some other cruises or some other ships you can actually just get away with not using your actual ship card and using a different one, but nonetheless I need to hit this button. There we go. Alright, and pardon the mess, it's about day 2 of the cruise, so we've kind of made ourselves at home, but first off, of course, we have a look at the king-size bed, and of course this can be split into 2 twins, and we've got a thing of cubbies on one side and another on the other side. This side here has a USB plug as well as a light. It looks like it's the master switch. Then a light there and a little reading light. Same goes for the other side as well. Pretty big closet. We do have a safe. And then lots and lots of shelves along with some drawers. And nice sized closet. Anyways, continuing on. We have an oddly positioned mirror, so if you like to stare at yourself while you sleep, cool. Very interesting concept, MSC. But nonetheless, we have a nice big TV here with all of your cruise documents, just in case you need it. A little bit of a messy desk, but pardon the appearance. But lots and lots of space, and of course even a mini fridge down here. On here it does come pre-packed. The chocolate ship model is not included, you buy that at Vinci, but it is pre-packed. But make sure, unless you plan on paying for it, do not eat anything out of here or they will charge you. This is not free. So I know that's a concept that kind of went away for a while. MSC seems to be the only one that actually pre-packs these, but nonetheless, unless you want to pay for, you know, the bottle of water or beer or whatever you want to drink out of here, be ready to pay for that. Moving on, big thing with a hairdryer in there. And then a kind of a cool concept is that it goes in like that. So one is actually a little stool and the other can double as a table like that. So that kind of alleviates and opens up all the space that's right here, as it can probably get pretty congested on other ships. But good sized couch filled with our bags and clothes. It's a 3-night cruise, so we didn't quite unpack. So we're just kind of living out of our bags for the 3 days of this cruise. But lots of drawers here as well. Open these up. Sorry, you have to look at my dirty clothes. And then, of course, we do have the balcony. 2 regular chairs, and as well as an ottoman to rest your feet, and a great view of the ocean. This one is on the starboard side of the ship, so the right-hand side, so you get a really good view of the bridge wing. And if you're going to Ocean Key, like we were supposed to today, it got canceled, unfortunately, due to high winds. But Ocean Key, on this side of the ship, you will be overlooking the island, which is always really, really cool. And nonetheless, you got a really good view down on that lower promenade area, not quite blocked by that part that juts out, which is good. So pretty good location, And of course, moving on to last but not least, and also this is a connecting room, so you can open this up if you know the people next door. Do not open if you do not know them. And then of course, the bathroom. Moving in, hello again. Got yourselves a good sized sink, a soap dispenser, and then of course little cups for toothbrushes and shelves to put your little bags if you need them. Good sized shower. Let's see, so I can kind of somewhat put my elbows out in there without them hitting, so tight like a normal cabin would be on, of course, any cruise ship though. But anyways, a nice little towel rack, some little things, lots of different languages, which is cool. And then, of course, the classic, the good suck. Anyways, that's about everything. They got one little last thing down here with the trash bin. And then anyways, that will conclude our tour of cabin 14034 here on board the beautiful MSC Seashore. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video, as it will be a full walkthrough tour of this amazing, amazing ship. Very beautiful ship. So stay tuned for that, coming out in just a few days. Anyways, I'm heading back upstairs. Anyways, so like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we will see you next time.